Hi everyone, I'm Kiprono Dominic again, technical manager from Ruver General Equipment Company Limited. We are pleased to bring to you the maintenance technology, the railway track. We have established ourselves in some parts of Asian countries and African countries. Our branch is currently working on some projects in Kenya. Our client is Kenya Railways Corporation in Kenya. We majorly deal in the maintenance of railway track using large machinery called damping machine. Then we have the stabilizer which consolidate or harmonize the forces of the railway track. Then we have the ballast hopper. Ballast hopper applies the ballast on the track. It shapes up the neck of the railway. We also do the maintenance of these machines. Our technical team are situated all over the country, majorly in Asian countries. As I said earlier, our major team is in China, where our head branch is in Ruver General Equipment. We also do supplies of the railway machinery parts. Our major project was done by our technical team in Kenya. They do the overhaul of the stabilizer transmission system, and it was successfully tested, and the machine is currently working. If there is any chance or the obsolete railway track in most of the parts of Asian countries, we can bring in this machine, do the overhaul of the railway track, do the test, and it will be to your satisfaction, as it has been attested from some parts of some of our clients in Asia and Kenya. Also, we do sell the second-hand damping machine and stabilizer. We provide after-sale service to these machines. In case there is failure, we provide quick response to these maintenance issues. Feel free to get connected with our technical team spread all over the world. I will have a link there whereby you can connect with our technical team 24-hour system. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Karaoke Maina. I'm part of Ruver Railway, being the sales manager. I invite you all to come and have a look of what we have and what we do and the services that we give. We have a website called www.ruver.cn. That's our website. Yes.